Hi Wanders, my name is April Jennifer Choi, and today we're going to give you a suggested string length for your long string levy wand. This string length is recommended for most beginners. The way we're going to measure your string is initially by putting your string through your wand, holding onto the loose end and pulling it through. You're then going to hold onto the end as you take your levy wand, hold onto it as you lower your wand to the ground. You're then going to take your thumb like this, place it over, similar to a V grip, and lift your hand up in the air to a comfortable height that is above your head, just shy of your full extension. You're going to take your loop, place it over your thumb, and tie a knot there. To double check your string length, you can then take your thumb, place it through the loop, lift your hand up, and when you extend your hand fully, your wand should come a little bit off the ground. And that's how to string your long string wand.